Hi, George here. And if you want to have a successful channel on YouTube, then everything has to be set up properly. And one of the settings that a lot of creators forget is to set up channel keywords. And in this video, I'll show you how to do this using ChatGPT AI to help you come up with a good set of keywords. Now you find the keywords inside of your Creator Studio, click on the Settings tab. This brings up our settings right here. Go into Channel, and the keywords are right down here. And here's my current keyword set. This is mostly Roblox and Minecraft. We have 500 characters available. Now I want to change this and bring this up to date because my focus right now on my channel is not just Roblox and Minecraft, but Roblox and Minecraft on mobile devices. So let's go ahead and make that fix, and we'll do that with ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT already knows my channel, so I don't have to put a lot of text in here into the prompt. I'll just ask for a set of channel keywords. You probably should put in more information in there, especially if you're brand new to setting up your channel and ChatGPT doesn't understand your channel yet. So give it a nice full prompt to get a good set of keywords. We'll start off with giving ChatGPT a role. And we'll try acting as a YouTube SEO specialist, put a comma in here, and I'll add in, give me a set of channel keywords that will support my channel's current focus on Minecraft PE mobile and Roblox mobile how-to videos. And let's hit the go button and get our list of keywords. And here we go, we have real nice set in here. Here's our core channel focus keywords, high priority. These should be in the set no matter what. We then have some mobile discovery keywords in here, covering crafting, customization, installs, and beginner help. And the same thing for Roblox mobile, how to search intent keywords, and mobile first SEO boosters, and then some misspellings and variations. I don't need any of these, and I figure that YouTube already knows your channel name. I wouldn't ever bother with the brand layer. We can start with just the core channel focus keywords in here, and then add to those a few more out of these other sets, which would be very focused on what we want to be doing. Or you could come down here and add a second prompt and ask ChatGPT to bring the list down to no more than 500 characters using the most important keywords. At this point, I prefer to go ahead and do this next step manually. Now, to save yourself from having to do a lot of counting of characters, it's not a bad idea to put this into a program that will count the characters for you, like Microsoft Word. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. I'm going to select this stuff right here, right-click and copy. Those are my main keywords. I left off Roblox iOS because I'm on Android and not iOS, so I can't do any videos about that, no reason to have it in my keyword set. And let's open up Microsoft Word and add these in. Here we go, I'll right-click this, and let's just paste. And here we go. If you go up here to Review, and left-hand side, right here you can get word count. And in here we have pages, words, and the most important one here, characters, no spaces. It's at 187, which means we can add in quite a few more lines. So let's go back over to ChatGPT. Here we go. And I'll pick a few of these out. Now the easy way to do this is just to grab the whole section like this. I'm just dragging the cursor over that. Right-click and copy. Let's go back over to Word. We'll leave a space down here and Control-V to paste. And let's get rid of the iPhone one. And then I can come through here and just take out the ones I don't really think will work out that well. How-to is good. I found that tips and tricks really doesn't work that well. Most people don't search on those, so I'll take those out. Okay, let's do the same trick over here for Roblox. Back over to ChatGPT. And once again, I'm just going to select this whole section here. Right-click, copy, back over to Word. Control-V to paste that in. Let's take a look at this. Again, I'll take out tips and tricks. I'll take out tutorial. Most people don't search for tutorial. They'll search for beginner, things like that. And some of this just comes from my knowledge of the category. The more you understand the category and searches in there, the better you can pick and choose. Let's see how we're doing at this point. Let's take a look at our word count. Okay, characters, no spaces. We're at 528, so we need to lose just a few in here. Let's take out these two up here that say tutorial. I can take off tutorial off of the install. Just back up on that one. And let's check our word count again. Word count, 478. And I think that's pretty close. We now need to have commas after all of these. So make sure you put a comma in here. Let's go down your whole list, adding in commas. Otherwise, YouTube will consider this one big long keyword. It's going to be separating the keywords by comma. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll grab all this, right-click, copy. Let's go back over to the Creator Studio and take a look at our keyword set. Here we go. I'm going to remove all of these by hitting that X right there that deletes everything. Let's right-click and paste. Okay, we're a little over the top here. We're at 613. I need to lose 100 of these. So I'm going to go through here and just take out the ones that are probably the least useful. We'll take out the Roblox tutorial mobile, get rid of that one. There we go. Each time you take one out by clicking on that X, it's going to update the count down here. I'll take out phone. I'll take out texture pack. That's not really necessary. So it's just a matter of going through here and cleaning out the ones that you don't want to have. Now, I do want to have how to make Robux, But we also have Roblox Mobile Robux. I think that's good enough. I can take this one out. Almost there. Avatar is good. Mobile settings is okay. Customization, premium. Let's just take out guide. And there we go. We now have that down below the 500. Choose save. And we now have our saved keyword set. Now, it's not a bad idea. After you have done that, go ahead and copy this whole list out and save this someplace. Where you copy that is to come down here to the bottom. Click on this button right here. Copy. I'll go back over to Microsoft Word. I'm just going to take this stuff out, backspace over that, right click, and let's paste this in. And then I'll save this so I don't have to go back and research in the future. And I can then come back in and play around with the different keywords I'm using. If I shift my focus a little bit, I can take a look at this list first without having to go back in and generate a new list until the next time that I move or shift the focus of my channel. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Also, very important, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be doing more videos here about how to use AI to improve your YouTube channel and also to improve any small business that you have. So very important, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.